Now in Tekla structural designer we will model up to ground floor roof. First go to material, here material concrete plus C30, make it default, and reinforcement here 500 MPa. This one, view this one, 500 MPa. Now this one we want to change, or we want to add another steel, 415. Click on OK, and this one make it default. Now close. Now save the model. Now we will go to model. Here we will select story 1. Here we will model our column, concrete column. Here C30, 200 by 200, 415 reinforcement grade. Cover here 30 millimeter. Click on this point I. Here we can see in AutoCAD 200 by 200. This one G, 2G grid, 2G. Now this section will be changed 200 by 400. Okay, this one F. Here now make it 500. This one now another 600. Okay, here 700. Here E, here in 6, here in 7. Okay, if we want to see it in 3D view, it will be like this. 2D view. Here now we will model our beams. First we need to change orientation for these columns. This one rotation 90 degree. We can change this alignment here. Go to this alignment option, this center. Okay, so all this we will select. This alignment center like this. We will rotate our column. We will change our column orientation as per our drawing. This one rotation 90 degree. This one 90, or we can select the columns. This one, press Ctrl to select multiple members. This one, rotation 90 degree. Okay, done. Now we will draw our beams. Go to plane beam. Here model beam. Here cover we can change settings in from here. Structural default, here beam 30, column 30, slab 20. Okay, click on OK. Now go to beam here C30, change this one 200 by 500. Okay, top these other things. Now here 30 millimeter continuous. Here we can draw individual, enter. If we draw continuously beam in Tekla structural designer, this will be continuous beam. If we want to split this one, go to edit, split this. Okay, now see here, now separate. Go to model, beam, now this one we will change it to 600. Now this one, edit, move, press F2 to edit, 0.6, enter. Go to 3D view, you can select all the beams, go to edit, copy, here to press F2 to edit along 3.6 meter. Now go to Storied 2. Here we can see in 3D view. We will delete this one. Now we will change our beam section as per ground floor roof. This one we will change it to 700. New section 500 by 400. Click on OK, and we'll model another hidden beam, 1 meter by 420 millimeter from here to here. Press enter. Slab on beam. New slab. Here 2way 130. Okay, this one, and this one. Now another slab, new slab 160. this one, this one, this one. New slab 170, this one and this one. This one here it is coming in like this, so we can move this one like this. We can select the node and drag it to another point. Now this one, new slab 180 here, press ESC, then select this node like this. So this is done. Now another one is stair. $200mm, this one. This one, it will be 2A like this. Now here this direction will be changed. $90 like this, and this one 2A. Okay, now slab also finished. In 3D view we can see our modeling up to ground floor roof finished in Tekla Structural Designer also. Now save this model. Here up to this level, this up to this level. This level.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.